while we wait for our Dunkin' Donuts coffee, because we're soft in line, if this is your first time watching us, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All while teaching my sons the trade. Follow us on this journey. Subscribe and check us out. For this next adventure, we got a leak in the basement. What do you have to say?
Let's get her done.
Let's get her done. That's the word I want to hear. And CB2 today?
Sleeping. Actually, no, he's working.
CB2 had a different adventure he had to do today.
He's working.
Yeah, he's working somewhere else on a project. And kind of a good day, because we're having that lazy mode day. We're trying to take a day off, and I got a little bit of emergency. We will see you at the job. Alright. We have some type of water leak here. We're not sure if anybody's here yet. We're going to go knock on the door. Go knock on the front door, see what we got. Oh, elbow me? Go ahead, pull it. You gotta pull it and push it up all at the same time. It doesn't come out by itself.
What do you mean pull down? Push up the same.
Pull it down. Now put your finger right there. You go. Now you can let it go, and then you go like this. And boom. You just loosen, you'll be fine. Loosen that one and pull all 3 lengths out. We'll cut them in 10 foot. All right. I gotta remember that we're gonna cut this pipe here with this young buck. 20-foot length of pipe, cut in half. Something that you think everybody knows, but everybody doesn't know it. This is our first time cutting pipe. So what we're gonna do, we got pipe cutting lesson. Today's lesson is pipe cutting. Cut it perfectly in half. Just measure 1. Line them all up, mark all 3 of them. Let's go. Let's get her done. 10 foot. Put tape away. You know how to use this yet?
I know, right?
You always got to start here, but then click it back. Reverse it. Now put it back. Boom, you're ready to cut. There you go. Oh. There it is. Put them all in the truck. I'll be right back, okay?
Alright.
Hit that down later.
Yeah.
Don't forget to tighten up them racks too, okay? The straps.
Yeah.
Thank you. Alright, here's what we got. We got a T dripping right there. Slow drip. We're going to shut the main off. Okay. That's off. Down, okay? That's good. This is what he's using. We'll drain this down. Lowest spot. So we're going to take out these 2 hose boot connections for an old wash machine hookup, which are cranked off.
Let me hold it.
They got the valves cranked so tight. Oh, there we go. Sucking it. We just don't want to make a mess, you know. Tell you what, you hold it over here. I'll get this side. What's that? Right here. Let's get this one. Oh, can you get in there? You can get in there. We have something smaller? Oh, you got it. There you go. Boom. Turn that on. There you go. A little bit of water, right?
A little more than a little.
Alright. Let her go. How much water is there?
Half the box right now.
Let her go. Turn off. There you go. Pull her out. We'll use this line over here now. Last is for the old dog. So we're going to do this one first. I'll get the jaws in here. You gotta be able to get the ProPress in. So we'll be able to do it. Okay. Oh, look at that. Catch the water. I don't know if you can see this from here, but I'm going extra. Look out. Extra 3 feet and get rid of this T and cap also, because this is doing nothing. So we're going to come back to here on both of these. This way it's all out of here. Don't cut no wire. Alright. Tape measure. And I can use stop couplings because I don't need to use a slip. So, Angelo, put me on the end there, please. Just touch the pipe. Right there. Piece 32. Boom, everything sanded up. I had the owner come down, so I don't like to film the owner, you know what I mean? So we were talking. Angelo went down some more pipe. I sanded this up. Cut this up. And boom. This is all you. Everything's pushed in. I double checked it. You're ready to go. Just watch that wire, okay? Push it out that way. Make sure you're not on it. Bang. Beautiful. The battery sounds tired, man.
Yeah.
I hope not. This one might be tough. Let me see. I'm trying to avoid taking this tank out right here, which, oh, there we go. Push this gas line out just a smidge right there. All right. Done. One more. One more. Here we go. Low push. Thank you. I don't know about that battery. Pipe gutter, pal.
Okay.
Pipe gutter. M12. Always hand it to me ready to go. Alright? Right on. There we go. Boom. We're going to cut this T out too because this is horrible looking, alright? Get it out the way. This is coming out. What's holding this?
This.
Oh, I'm gonna cut that. Now it's coming out. What's that? Come on. All this goes in the truck, alright? For the Christmas party. Okay? What's this? What's in here? Let's get rid of this. Someone leave the 2 pieces of ABS at the 90. And yeah. Let's get this sanded up. I'll see you later. Talk to myself. Alright, put me on that pipe down there, pal. I'm gonna get a measurement.
Oh shit. Alright, yeah?
Right there?
No, what pipe you talking about?
The pipe we're connected. Oh, right here.
Yeah.
And see it?
It's out there.
Yeah.
Right here?
Good?
Yeah.
30 inches. Cut a piece 30. You can use that letter as a mark too. Look at that letter on there.
Yep.
On the T.
Okay.
You turn your light on. There you go. Watch your finger. Awesome. Sand it up. Sand it up. We need 2 stop couplings too, alright? Let me see how you do it. That's good. Just a little grit, both sides. Oh, maybe not. Hold on. Let me see. Let's put one on here. One. Will this pipe move down here? Let's see. Yeah, we got her. Alright. Put that in down here. Shoot it through and I'll guide you in. Alright, pal. I'll hold back on it. I'm in. In? Awesome. Pressed it up. I know I gotta stop saying that. ProPress, the godly tool. I just heard the barriers around. Make sure it's in again. Just double check. All right. All right. Double check. Both hands, man. Only because we walk away from here. All right. You're good. You should mark it with a pencil.
Mark what with pencil?
Where the fitting would go on to. You know what I mean?
When I,
Yeah, you take it off. You put it on your mark and take it off. All right, we're ready. Let it finish up, okay? There you go. No. It's done? Press it. It's done? As you see, we just ran out of battery. But I guess it's the same thing as run out of gas or solder. So everything has its downside. So you get a new battery. Hopefully it's charged. We need 3 presses and we're done. New battery, new beginning. Beautiful. Come down here, superstar. I'll get it just so we can go fight our rhythm. There's a little tight spot here. No. Yeah, cleaner. Alright, now, what we're going to do, we're going to turn the water on real slow.
Just a little twist.
Lefty loosey,
Yeah.
right tight. Hold on, let me turn this off. Hold on. Have these open still.
That was funny, right?
No, it wouldn't have been funny. Real slow. And the reason for that is so you don't disturb old pipes and get debris rolling, and then you have a clogged aerator. Until you're all the way open, okay? We're looking good, no leaks. No leaky. Hold on, I'm gonna show you one more thing over there. Chucky's favorite line. You gotta make sure your packing nut doesn't leak. Watch the glass here. When you open valves, you have to see how there's a little drip there. There's a little drip working, so you just gotta give a little bit of a. It's called tightening the packing nut. Okay? Because this will drip, 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 and that's it. So always tighten all your packing nuts, and that's a wrap. Did we get it done?
We got it done.
Is there any leaks?
No leaky.
Good. What's our line?
There goes another satisfied customer.
Nah, that's not good enough. A little more energy, like Chucky.
I like Chucky.
And there goes another satisfied customer. All right, we'll see you on the next job. Thank you for watching and have a great weekend.